Hey everyone, welcome back. If you just grabbed the short-term rental manager template, this video is going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started in under 5 minutes. This template lives entirely in Google Sheets, no plugins, no macros, no Excel required. Let's jump in. The very first thing you want to do is head to the Settings tab. This is where the template learns about your business. Start by entering your property names right here. You can manage up to 3 properties. These names will populate every drop-down across the entire template automatically. Next, set your currency symbol, your platform fee percentage. So if Airbnb charges you 3%, put 3 here, your tax rate, and your default cleaning fee. That's it for settings. Everything else in the template will pull from these values. You only have to set this once. Now let's log your first booking. Head to the Bookings tab. The blue shaded cells are your input fields, everything else calculates automatically. Select your property from the drop-down, enter the guest name, the check-in date, and the checkout date. Once you enter those dates, the nights column fills in automatically. Then enter your nightly rate. Watch what happens. Gross revenue, cleaning fee, platform fee, and tax all calculate instantly based on the rates you set in settings. The only other columns you might fill in manually are other fees, for anything like a pet fee or parking charge, and utilities, where you can log your estimated monthly utility cost for that booking period. Finally, set the status drop-down to confirmed or completed. That's one booking logged. Every row works the same way. Next, the Operations tab. This is where you track your cleaning sessions and any maintenance work. In the cleaning log, enter the property, the date, who did the cleaning, the type, how long it took, the cost, and mark it as completed when it's done. The maintenance log works the same way on the right side of the sheet. All of these costs flow directly into your Reports tab in your dashboard automatically, so your net revenue is always accurate. Now for the Reports tab. This is where you see the full financial picture. Use the year drop-down at the top to switch between years, and the property drop-down to filter by a specific property or view all of them together. Every month auto-populates with nights booked, occupancy rate, average nightly rate, gross revenue, cleaning costs, maintenance costs, platform fees, and net profit. The annual totals at the bottom update automatically as you add more bookings throughout the year. You don't have to touch anything here, it's all pulling from your Bookings and Operations tabs. The Portfolio Summary tab gives you a side-by-side comparison of all 3 properties: gross revenue, net revenue, total stays, nights booked, cleaning and maintenance costs, and average nightly rate for each property. Again, all automatic. And finally, the dashboard. This is your home base. Every KPI updates in real time as you log bookings, annual gross and net revenue, occupancy rate and RevPAR, total stays and average nightly rate, your current season indicator, upcoming bookings listed in order, 3 charts showing revenue trends, property comparison, and monthly nights booked. And that's it, the entire short-term rental manager template in under 5 minutes. To recap, start in Settings, log your bookings in the Bookings tab, track cleaning and maintenance in Operations, and let the Reports, Portfolio, and Dashboard tabs do the rest automatically. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below and let me know, and if you haven't grabbed the template yet, the link is in the description. See you in the next one.